brown one's smaller. I like doing this. I see an alligator.
Mm-hmm.
I think the alligator's just looking at them, trying to get them. What if we saw an alligator charge them?
I think alligators are too small for that. Horse would have to be in the water for the alligators to try to get them.
Or like really close to the water. I say that's like 10 yards away from the water. Mommy, I say that's 10 yards away from the water.
That sounds about right.
This is the only one in the whole park you can touch. You're not allowed to touch any of the others.
Is that my hands? What was that black thing? What was that black thing? I like the wild horses.
Me too.
I wish I can go over there and sneak up on them.
And jump on them like Rania.
Like, creeping up